Hi there, I'm Shahy and welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we're having a look at common words that are commonly mispronounced, and they have examples with them too. So by the end of the video, you will know how to pronounce these words correctly and how to use them correctly also. So stay tuned. This word is recipe. 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 That's my secret recipe. It is half. Half. Can I have half a slice of cake? So it's not half, it's half. The L is silent. The word is jewelry. Jewelry. You know what jewelry is, right? Like earrings, necklaces, rings. Okay, so maybe you wear jewelry, maybe you don't. But we say jewelry. Do you like wearing jewelry? Do you wear jewelry? Okay, we've got another word. It's taught. Taught. What's taught? Taught is the past of teach. Okay? She didn't teach English. She taught maths. Some people say mathematics, but usually we just say maths. Common word is unfortunately. Unfortunately. Unfortunately, what does that mean? We usually use it before giving some bad news. It doesn't have to be really bad news. For example, unfortunately, I can't come to the party. I am very busy. Okay, unfortunately, I'll have to cancel that appointment. I've got somewhere else to go. Okay, so unfortunately, that is the end of the video. And if you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and share, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful, amusing, interesting videos. Also, I put my links below in the section below for my TikTok and Instagram, and hope to see you there too. So take care and hope you have a lovely holiday. Take care and bye for now.